What is up, all Gaijin not Gaijin fans? Godzilla Care here, and welcome to my new series, the Toku Relics Podcast. Now, it was supposed to be something very different from what you're saying it right now. It was supposed to be the Kaiju Relics Podcast, but that kind of fell through, especially after getting Mr. John Lemay's Japanese Monsters Unmade series. I do have this one. And this was the one I was mainly gonna use, but this one has more tokusatsu films like the first one that will be the topic of this video. But so pretty much this series is just me going over the unmade films, the cancelled films, the banned films, and the previous lost now found films of the tokusatsu genre. So without further ado, let us begin. So this first film has almost nothing on it. I've scoured as many places as I can think of. So this might be just a rumored one, and it might just not exist. But I'm going over this unconfirmed film anyways, because I think it'll be interesting. And technically, if it is true, it will be the first ever modern tokusatsu film. It is called Undersea Warship, a fantastical television adventure. Now, if it was actually called this, no one knows. We really only know the alleged release date, year, which is 1927, allegedly produced by Nakatsu. We don't know the runtime, and obviously it's going to be in black and white. We don't know the director, screenwriter, special effects director, composer, or even the cast. What we do know is that it would be the earliest adaptation of Shunro Oshikawa's 1902 adventure novel of the same name. Though there's a source according to Lemay's work, though I'm not sure which source it is in the bibliography and whatnot, because I don't know, I can't seem to pinpoint which it is, which sucks because I would really want to see more of this alleged film. But anyways, I was saying, though, there's a source that says that it's based on the sixth book of the Undersea Warship series. I have not read the Undersea Warship series. I want to, just to see what it's all about and all that. It's unknown how close it is to the book, and obviously it has zero kaiju in it. Now, again, not much is known about this film, or if it was even a thing. I kind of wish it's a thing, mainly to see even if it is through stills, just how they would have done the special effects. Because things like that in the behind the scenes stuff has always fascinated me, like how they could turn something into a masterful thing, if that makes any sense. And hopefully in a few years we might get the answer of if this was actually a real thing or not. So yeah, not much to this first episode. I'm sorry about that. Again, we don't know much of anything about this supposed film. The next one will be longer because that one is going to be Kiko made in Japan, which is gonna be interesting to go over, since it's not your typical Monster on the Loose film. But yeah, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, a little bit short, which I'm sorry about that. But next one, it's definitely going to be longer. Thank you all for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. This is Godzilla Cairo, signing off.